So y'all, my first ever fan is here at my house right now. My very first baby diamond is here in my house right now, all the way from Jacksonville, Florida. Like, I'm so nervous, look. I'm nervous, and she's so ready to meet me. Like, I can't freaking believe it. She's here at my house. So, I'm gonna take y'all along with me to meet her. Like, a lot of my family members is in the living room. It's a small world. I'll give y'all a story time later, but I've never met this little girl. And she is in love with me. She thinks I am a famous YouTuber. Like, that makes me feel so great. I'm hiding out in my bathroom, but I'm about to go meet her. Yeah, what's your name? Who is it? Oh my God! Are you serious? Nice to meet you.
Yeah, she's taller than you.
Yes, she is taller than me. Yeah.
Hold this phone. You gonna see?
I heard you wanted to be on my channel. There you go.
You ain't gonna give yourself a shout out or nothing?
Shout out to Chris.
Your tagger name?
You not gonna say your name? Anaya. My name is Anaya. Where you from? Jacksonville, Florida.
Come on. Anything. What's the one thing you want to ask her? Person to person. You got her up close in person.
Whatever you want. I don't know.
Look on your phone.
Look on her phone.
I'll tell her to Google it.
I watch it every day.
You do?
As soon as you post, I watch it.
I think I commented on the.
Did you subscribe to our video?
Yes, you did.
Everyone. Mama, what's your tag?
You're so short. Yes, I am. You're short. No height at all. You're taller than me.
It's gonna be this. You ain't got nothing else to ask her.
I don't know. I don't know. I can't think.
She gonna like call back and like, hey.
Anaya's gonna hang with me all day. She's going dress shopping with me, and she will be at my wedding. Are you serious? Take over. A.MaRee Beauty coming to take over.
Y'all, this is A.MaRee from YouTube. And if you don't know her, you can follow her at A.MaRee.
Beauty.
Down, Marie.
Yeah.
Booty.
I gotta get rid of all this